What's up?
How are
And
you doing?
how are you doing? Everything is good. Now my heart gets saturated
Your
completely.
heart is. I'm glad.
Yeah, finally I have got my desired guest. Once we had conversation, maybe a month ago, and now I got you. How lucky I am! I can't really explain. Anyway, how was your day?
Oh, my day was good. How was your day?
My day, I will start with a new vibe from now just because of you. I was just screaming you through the comment that we had on conversation. We want to have another one, and today I got real success. I think I would like to make a new plan to carry my rest of day.
You're inspired by me? That's
Yeah,
the first I heard.
100%. I'm being really so encouraged.
If you're filled with joy when I laugh,
When you make a smile on your face and your sound like what's up, how you doing, and this kind of stuff just making me so much inspired, so much embarrassed.
so
But could you tell me why you don't like to be on the PK with me? I know you are the busy.
I don't do PKs. I haven't even done PKs. Like I did PKs on my friends, but like I know them in real life, but like the only like person that I did PK with was you.
All
So I
right.
haven't really.
Yeah, I see. Usually you don't go on the PK, but I do so much with you, but you didn't kick me out. You have been really so much brilliant to me. And it's a comprehensive mind that you have.
Oh. Other people kick you out of their lives?
And yeah, instead, if I used to do this kind of stuff with other people, they kicked me out, but you didn't.
No.
Now, you know what? I will just illuminate my time with different vibrant way. I got you.
What? You're gonna illuminate your time a different way?
Alright, this is because of you. If I listen, honestly, I'm talking true.
You're welcome.
My pleasure. It's not really a good things to give you. It's just a pleasure. I'm just planning to give something to you.
To who?
To you.
To me?
Yeah.
What are you gonna give me?
Something like a bigger thing.
Like a what?
Like what, it will be taken place all on a sudden. It's like a bomb.
Okay. So you don't want to tell me?
No, I don't. I don't right now. I don't right now. Yeah.
Okay.
Your gesture is completely different from any other.
Why?
You look completely like a baby. To be honest, you like an infant. Honestly, you look like completely infant.
I look like a baby.
Yeah, all
I
right.
am 24 years old.
Yeah, you're 24 years old, but your face looks like completely very innocent, and that I ever see.
Why some girls don't look innocent on here?
Yeah, they are too, but some difference just if I compare among those people, but certainly you are different.
That's
Dazzling,
good.
dazzling face.
Who's
D,
Jasmine?
yeah. I guess you never been out of your country, isn't it?
No.
Yeah. Now as I know, you have kids. So, do you wanna go any other country?
No, not at the moment. I
Oh.
haven't traveled in a long time.
You know what, Eliza? When I started to request you for joining up here, and my heart was just beating up so faster. and when I got you in front of my camera, it feels like just somebody splash on my heart. My heart was like a desert.
Oh, like a dessert.
Yeah. Hope one day you will come in Bangladesh.
Wait, where are you at? Like, what Bangladesh? Like, what? Like, is it like Israel or Jerusalem or something? Or no?
No, my country is geographically situated in South Asia. Like, which country do you know from South Asia? You don't know?
There's none of
You don't know?
No, I don't. No, but I can Google right now.
You're
Well,
doing.
what countries in South Asia?
China, yeah, China. China is not my neighbor country, but my country, and then India, and then China.
What? So you stay by? I never. You stay over there, China, Pakistan.
Yeah.
That's South Asia.
All right, South Asia.